Hello, everyone. Um, Welcome to your first lab in IFT 200. I'm going to quickly walk you through adding, SQL Server 2019 to your laptops if you're using Windows. This is only for Windows. If you're using Mac, I'm going to go through there will be another video for the platform that I suggest you use. Remember, this is just a suggestion. If you're comfortable with any other database management system platform, you're welcome to do so. All right, so I did provide the link in the module, this SQL Server download. You should hit a page just like the one that I'm showing you. Scroll down a little bit, you'll see the developer. That's what you want. Do not get into the Express. Both are free, but the developer will provide you with the more useful platform. Just go ahead and click the download. It should start your download executable. And I'm not going to go through the full install, but I'll get you started. So just click on the executable. And if you're the administrator, you should receive an indication that there's going to be a change in your device. Just say yes. And this will start the installation process. It looks like this. Once again, like I said, I'm not going to go through. You want to select basic. And once you select basic, the install will begin. You'll see this gray kind of pop up throughout the install. I've already installed it, so I'm not going to run through the installer. I'll just say that once you've gone through the first SQL Server installation, and that'll take 10 to 15 minutes. So depending on your resources, so please be patient. You will receive the indication to install the SSMS, and that's the SQL Server Management Studio. That's what produces the environment that you'll work in to create your database. And I'll show you what your end product should look like. So once you've gone through the installation, you should be able to essentially use your laptop as a local server-like scenario. You should be able to accept all the defaults, and it should take you to the SQL Server Management Studio once you've installed it. I think the latest version is 18.11 or something newer than that. And yes, I've started it. It will take a few seconds to actually launch the SSMS, but this is what you're going to use to essentially create your database. And those of you that are using Windows, I am updating all the videos in this course that's associated with the labs, so it'll be a lot easier labs. All right, so what you should see is a little SQL Server connect to server, which should have your designated laptop name. And for mine, it's just, I've never changed the default name. So this is your indicator. If for some reason, and I'll say this again, it does not connect, you can type in localhost in this field, the server name field, and it should connect also. So it shouldn't take no more than a second or two to connect. And this is the environment. This is the SSMS, the SQL Server Management Studio environment. And basically, not much of what you'll do in the course, you'll be able to do with this Object Explorer, create new databases, create new tables, write queries. There's a new query, and we'll go over that throughout the labs. I'm going to try and be very interactive with the labs in this course for this semester. And you see here, this is your query builder. But there's other ways, and I will suggest those. But if you get into this environment with an actual connection, and it'll tell you right here, you get the little green indicator there that you're connected locally to your laptop, then you're good. Don't worry about anything else. We're just basically going to work with databases, a little bit with management, but primarily you're going to create a data. So this is a test database. This was PISA. It was one of the students in my other classes with the tables, etc. But you'll be able to manage all of, and this one actually doesn't have anything, but you'll be able to manage your database once we've gone through the process of ensuring that this environment is installed correctly. You'll be able to manage your database. So once again, this is Windows. Those of you that are running Windows, this is your SQL Server This is 2019, and this is your management studio. Right. Let me go ahead and close it here. Once again, I provide you the link. It is the developer, and if you're able to get that started, then you've completed, or you've gone through half the things that you need. Well, not half, but a good portion of what you need to do as far as the work, actual hands-on work for the database. All right. So I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.